In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a board in Monday.com. Sharing a board is essential when you're collaborating with teammates, clients, or external partners, and you want everyone to stay aligned in one place. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the entire process, step by step, so you know exactly what to click and what to look out for. First, start by opening Monday.com and navigating to the board you want to share. This could be any board in your workspace, such as a project tracker, a marketing calendar, or a task list. Take a moment to double check that this is indeed the board you want others to access. Remember, when you share a board, people will be able to see the information and items on it, depending on the permissions you later assign. Once you've selected the correct board and it's open on your screen, look towards the top right corner of the board's interface. Here, you will find an option labeled Invite. This button is your main entry point for sharing. Go ahead and click on Invite. When you do, a sharing or invite panel will appear, usually as a pop-up or a side panel, depending on your current layout. In this panel, you'll see a field where you can type in the email address of the person you want to invite. Carefully enter their email, making sure there are no typos, since this is where their invitation will be sent. You can repeat this step for multiple people if you're inviting several collaborators at once. If your account and plan allow it, this is also where you might see options for inviting guests versus team members. As you type in the email address, you'll notice that Monday.com may suggest permissions or roles, such as viewer or editor, depending on your setup. These control what the invited person can do on the board. Take a moment to think about what level of access they truly need. For example, if someone only needs to see progress, a viewer role might be enough, while a core team member might need full editing access. After entering the email and adjusting any available options, simply follow the on-screen prompts to complete the process. This may include confirming the invitation, reviewing the list of people you're sharing the board with, or saving your changes. Once you finish these prompts, Monday.com will send out the invitations, and your collaborators will receive an email with instructions on how to access the board.